Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a fire truck in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. There are a few simple ways to get a fire truck in GTA 5, and all of them are easy to follow. The first method is by visiting a fire station directly. There are two main fire stations in the game. One fire station is located near Michael's house in Los Santos. You can drive to that area and find a fire truck parked outside the station. The second fire station is located up north near Paleto Bay, close to the Amu Nation store. Traveling to either location allows you to take a fire truck instantly. Another method is by calling the fire department to your location. Open your in-game phone and go to Contacts. From there, dial 911. After calling, select the fire department option. The firefighters will arrive at your location in a fire truck. Once they arrive, you can enter the truck and drive away. Keep in mind that taking emergency vehicles may result in a wanted level, so be ready to escape or lose the police. So that's basically how you can get a fire truck in GTA 5. That's it for this video. Thanks.